Actually, it is a lot of fun to insert your own picture in there and then do top probabilities or top possibilities here. Top probabilities. Probabilities. Like that. And then you can ask however many you want to see. So here it is. Top probabilities. Okay. Let's see. I think you can do this. Was it that? Or I need to group it with a curly bracket here. I forget. Didn't like it because this has to be grouped. So I'm going after the comma, before the quotation mark, curly bracket. I'm going to after 4 and close. So this became 1 unit. So it's not just top probabilities. I'm saying I need 4 of them. Let's have 5 of them. Shift enter. So it was a 56%. It was a Barack Obama, but it could have been Magic Johnson, it says. It could have been Carl Sagan. Remember, it was misidentified as Carl Sagan. Let's see what they look like so that we can compare. Was there any grounds for this mistake here? And these, wow, there are all kinds. So let's do Carl Sagan. So I will do Carl Sagan, control equals Carl Sagan. I can just type like that. This is called entity in Mathematica. It's a very powerful function. So he's a famous person here. Then I do bracket and quotation image. When I do this here, you get a representative picture of that person. So that's what Carl Sagan looks like. And Magic Johnson, I think everybody knows he's a famous basketball player. So I did control equal sign and I did Magic Johnson. And it will recognize as a person. And then I do image. There we go. So you can see. But the key is this. You put yourself in it. And then you do top 15 possibilities. And you get these people here. And then you see their images. Do they look like you? Well, those are the people with whom Mathematica got confused and they thought you'd look closest. So you can have this machine's opinion on what you look like. I did it myself, and I was matched with the female Indian mathematician of all. So I looked her up, and then she passed away already, but she was known as the fastest mental math person in India, and recently there is going to be a movie made of her. So that's with whom I got confused, which is not bad at all, I would say. What about you? Try it.